Very good afternoon to all of you students. Today, let us start with our first chapter, Relation and Function of class 12th. But before going to the chapter, let us revise the class 11th portion of Relation and Function. So in class 11th, what we have discussed in the relation function, so that our first topic was Cartesian product of two sets. So what is it? Let's see. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that the first element A belongs to set A and the second element B of the ordered pair belongs to set B is called the Cartesian product of A with B. It is denoted by A cross B. Let us take one example. If set A has element 1, 2, 3 and set B has element A, B, then what is the Cartesian product of A with B? First element of first set and first element of second set means 1 A. This is the first ordered pair. And why we call it ordered pair? Because the first element of the ordered pair belongs to the first set means A, and the second element of the ordered pair belongs to second set B. So 1 comma A, then 1 comma B, then 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma A, and 3 comma B. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A has 3 elements and B has 2. So 3 2s are 6 elements. And if we have to find the same question, in the same question, if we have to find B cross A, then what we have to do? Then we have to take first set as set B and second set as set A. So A comma 1, A comma 2, A comma 3, then B comma 1, B comma 2 and B comma 3. Is it clear, student? Now let us discuss with the relation. What is relation? Any subset of the Cartesian product is called a relation from A to B. Implies that R is a subset of A cross B. Here what is R? R is a relation from A to B. Then what is domain? Domain is the set of all first entries of the ordered pair. Is called the domain. What is the range? Range is the set of all second entries of the ordered pair. And what is the codomain? the set B is called the codomain of R, means relation. Pay attention, students. If A relates to is related to relates to B, then it can be written as A related to B, or A comma B belongs to the relation R. And if it does not relates, then A is not related to B, or A comma B does not belongs to the relation R. This is for if A is not related to B. It is very important because many children confuse between R. They think that it is a real number, but here R stands for the relation. Then what is the inverse of a relation? Let R be a relation from A to B, then the inverse of a relation, which is denoted by R inverse, will be a relation from B to A. For example, if we write it in a set builder form, then R inverse is written as ordered pair B comma A colon semicolon, B belongs to set B and A belongs to set A. Let us take one example. Let's take one example. Let's set A be defined as 1, 2, 3, 4 and B has elements 2, 4, 6. Then what is the relation between A and B? A comma B. A is a factor of B. This is the relation between A and B, where A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Then how can we write in the roster form? A is a factor of B, means 1 comma 2, because 1 is the factor of 2, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, all are the factors of 1. Then 2 comma 2, 2 is also a factor of 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6. Then 3 comma 6, because 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 4, 3 is the not these 3 is not a factor of 2 and 3 is not a factor of 4, so 3 comma 6. And then 4 comma 4, then that's all. Here we have to find the domain. So what will be the domain? The set of all first elements of the ordered pair of the relation. So here The first element is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. It is the domain. Then range, the second element of all the ordered pairs, means 2, 4 and 6. This is the range. Codomain, it is the set B. So here range is equals to codomain, but it will not be the case of all the questions. Here codomain and range are same. Then we have to find R inverse. What is R inverse? The inverse of the relations. Means here we have defined the R inverse. B comma A, where B belongs to set B and A belongs to set A. मतलब इसको पलट दो. तो 2 comma 1, 4 comma 1, 6 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 4 comma 4. So it is the inverse. Is it clear, students? Pause the video and write down in your copy. Thank you. In the next video, we will start from the topic of class 12th.